Hey guys, this is Tim with Tim's Tech again with another video. This time, I bought a phone off of Facebook Marketplace for $40, and haven't taken it out yet, but I got it ready to open here. So let's pull it open. It came with a crack on the back, crack on the front, but that's okay. That is as described. Let's take a look. Open bubble wrap. Looks like you got it covered pretty well. Sorry for the English here. Alright. There we go. Put that there. I'm going to pull it out of this sleeve here. There we go. And here it is. The screen looks okay. He did describe this as cracked down here, which we'll probably replace at the later time. Same with this. Said the back was cracked, but that's okay. Camera looks okay. I can replace that. This is a Google Pixel 3. See if it works. If I can figure out how to turn this thing on. Oh, there it goes. And it works. USB-C. Later on I'll replace this, all this. Alright, good. Looks like it's gonna work. And there you have it, a Google Pixel 3. That'll work fine for what I need. And we'll catch you in the next video.